I will talk about network risk, which is an open GIS toolbox. It's a work started during my PhD, and it's going to be continued and significantly improved during the turnkey project. What is this network risk? Basically, it's like a custom Waze. It allows you, for instance, to integrate your own road network or whatever network you want, and to add assumptions which road segments are affected, whether by earthquake, by building debris, or by other factors. It doesn't necessarily have to be a link with earthquakes. And then it allows you like ways to identify which are the, let's say, safest routes, not necessarily the shortest. You can also account for other aspects such as the vulnerability along the way, but also other things that Waze doesn't tell you, such as service area analysis, which are the inaccessible areas. You can see a couple of pictures which show you the outputs. As input, what is important about this toolbox is that it's the framework, let's say. For earthquakes, it's rather complex, but you of course use shake maps. You can use liquefaction susceptibility maps, all this linked with fragility functions, and also the footprint of buildings will determine which road segments are most probable to have problems during earthquakes. Also very important is that we also include the traffic data and assumptions such as whether it's an earthquake, how is the traffic going to be after the earthquake, and also in the turnkey we're going to add this time-dependent modeling. And also for origins, you can use whatever you want for emergency management, things like fire station location and hospitals. And that will enable you to understand after a specific earthquake scenario, which are the times between an affected area and fire station and hospitals. And also we will in the future account for the capabilities and the things such as the number of vehicles available per locations. Currently, this toolbox is available on the link below, but I should mention that it is open, but you should still have a license for ArcGIS and the network analyst extension. In the future, we will see if we oriented and implemented under QGIS and other open source software.